We'll guide you through how to upload document in Grammarly. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, turn on your device and ensure that it is working properly without any issues. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so the process can run smoothly. Next, open your browser and type Grammarly.com into the address bar, then press enter. Wait for the website to fully load on your screen. Once the site is ready, make sure you are already logged into your account. After that, wait for the dashboard to appear, where you can access all available features. Take a moment to look at the dashboard options displayed on the screen. Find the Upload or Upload Document option on the dashboard. Once you locate it, click on Upload to begin the process. After clicking, wait for the File Explorer window to open on your device. In the File Explorer, browse through your files to find the document you want to upload. Select your document file by clicking on it. Then click the Open button to confirm your selection. After that, wait for the upload process to begin and complete. Grammarly will process the file automatically. This may take a few moments depending on the size of your document. Once the upload is complete, wait for the editor to open with your imported document. Review the imported content carefully to ensure everything has been uploaded correctly. Check the formatting of the text, including spacing, font, and layout. As you review, pay attention to Grammarly's grammar suggestions that appear in the editor. These suggestions will help improve the quality of your writing. Apply corrections if needed by clicking on the suggested changes. This allows you to fix grammar, spelling, and clarity issues quickly. After applying corrections, adjust the formatting manually if necessary to match your preferred style. Make sure all text is visible and properly arranged within the document. If needed, rename the file to keep your documents organized and easy to find later. Once everything looks good, you can close the document or leave it saved in your dashboard for future access. Grammarly automatically saves your progress, so you do not need to worry about losing your work.